Hello everyone, just wanted to make a quick video about some technical questions I'm getting about Movenote. So let me just show you a couple real things in just a few minutes here, and hopefully this might solve any issues that you could be having with Movenote. The first one I want to show you, let's go to Movenote real quick, is that when you go, and there I am, when you go to Movenote, I got a question about what link should I submit. The best way that I found to do it is after you're done producing either your Movenote video is you will want to go to Browse, and then it will load all of your presentations, which are probably just maybe one and maybe one sample one if you did, but whatever you made, it's going to show here. And then click on, or just put your cursor over that particular video, Movenote presentation, and you'll get all these options. And the one you want to do is share. Click that. That gives you the codes that you need. And the code that I want is share URL. So you'll just want to copy this URL, and that is what you will want to submit. The other ones, not really applicable. So please just give me the URL, and that's about the easiest way I've found to grab that URL at any time. You can always go back and grab that URL. The other thing that has been happening, a few folks have been have had difficulty with their cameras not working, and that's usually a permission thing that's going on with your browser. So I went to two different browsers and I looked at what was going on, and I think this may help you again if you're not being able to get your camera to recognize. As you note, as soon as I went to Movenote, it had recognized my camera pretty quickly, because in the past I had given it permission to use my camera. So what you might be seeing is this. Let me close this out real quick. And sorry about this, going to scoot this over here to my active window. And this is a little snippet of the corner of Google Chrome. And if you're hitting Movenote, you just went onto the Movenote page, and Google Chrome in the web browser bar, this is the little piece of that web browser bar, at the very, would be the right hand side, if you see this little camera icon, you click on that and you can give permission for Chrome to access your camera for Movenote. So look for that little unusual icon. It's very subtle. It's in that same position that shield icon is when you may be encountered when you try to play college videos. So look for that, and then it's pretty simple. Once you see it, you just say give it permission, and it should work pretty much right away. The other permission that you could encounter is this one. And let me bring this over here. Sorry. And this, again, this is a screen capture of the Movenote page. The Adobe Flash player settings. Again, you'll just want to click Allow, and that should be able to bring up your camera. Remember that even once you've allowed these things access to Movenote, to through your web browser, whichever one you're choosing. Remember, don't use Firefox, because we're having problems with it with video in general. So stick to Chrome or Internet Explorer, but make sure you give those browsers the permission to use your video and audio. And then lastly, just want to touch on, we'll bring this up real quick again, Movenote, that the gear icon up here will, you can adjust your settings, you can choose your cameras. If you have multiple cameras, many images will show up there, and you may select your microphone using these settings here. I got multiple microphones, so don't forget to check that gear icon, and you should be all set. When you know you've selected the correct microphone, you're going to see that audio bar moving up and down as you're talking, so you know that it's recording your voice. Other than that, we should be all set. Hopefully this video has helped you out if you are encountering any technical difficulties with Movenote. Thanks, everybody.